Rahim. Today we are going to solve a integration question. Integrate secant x dx. Let's solve this. Integral secant x dx. We can write it as integral 1 over cos x dx. We know that cos x is equal to sine pi by 2 plus x. So putting this integral 1 over sine pi by 2 plus x, because we know pi by 2, the angles with pi by 2 are changed into the sine pi by 2 is changed in the cos. Sine theta is equal to 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So using this identity, we have integral 1 over 2 sine pi by 4 plus x by 2 into cos pi by 4 plus x by 2 of angle identity into dx. Two sine pi by 4 plus x by 2 into cos pi by 4 plus x by 2, and we multiply it secant square pi by 4 plus x by 2 over secant square pi by 4 plus x by 2, and here dx. Secant square pi by 4 plus x by 2 into d differential of pi by 4 plus x by 2 over sine pi by 4 plus x cos pi by 4 plus x over secant square, cos square pi by 4 plus x by 2. Secant square pi by 4 plus x by 2 into differential of pi by 4 plus x by 2 over sine pi by 4 plus x by 2 over cos pi by 4 plus x by 2 is equal to secant square pi by 4 plus x by 2 into differential of pi by 4 plus x by 2 over tangent pi by 4 plus x by 2. This is equal to integral secant square pi by 4 plus x by 2 into differential of pi by 4 plus x by 2 over tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. We know integral f x prime over fx dx is equal to fx plus c, equal to log of x plus c. So we know the differential of tan x is equal to secant square x. Okay, this is the differential and this is the function. So log of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus constant of integration. This is the solution of the secant x dx. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, share my videos, like my videos. If you have any question in your mind, please write in the comment box. Thank you.